Hello students, welcome back to Alchemy School online class. Today in our lecture we will study about new concept or some important points for polynomial and our uses. What are the uses of polynomials in our life? So let us start for some important point towards polynomial. So students, in previous video for chapter number 2 we have studied about introduction of polynomial, in which we have seen about its definition and few examples. We have also learned about the basic terminologies, the terms and coefficient of polynomial. Now today a very important condition for polynomial that we will going to learn. Okay, so let me take an example to explain you better. For example, x square plus 2x plus 4. This is an polynomial, right? Yes, this is an polynomial in variable x. But if I take example such as x square plus x raised to minus power 3 plus 4. So now if I ask, is this a polynomial? So few students might have doubt whether it is a polynomial or not. So let me be clear about this, that this expression is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. The reason for this is this negative power of variable. So if exponent or power of variable is negative, then it is not a polynomial. It will not be a polynomial. Is it clear? If power of variable is negative, then it is not a polynomial. Note this term. Okay. Now let me take few more example. Suppose if I ask 2 plus 3 upon x, is this a polynomial? Again there will be a confusion. Few of you will say yes or few of you will say no. So this we can write like this: 2 plus 3. Here it is in denominator. When we bring it in numerator, when we bring this variable in numerator, it will become x raised to power minus 1. So again this is not a polynomial. Is it clear? So if you see questions like this is not a polynomial. For polynomial, all the power of variable should be positive. One more example to explain you in detail. If I ask 2x square plus 3x to the power half plus 10. So again, is this a polynomial or not? Now you will see that all the powers of variable are positive. Here power is 2, here power is half. All the power are positive. Yet this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial because again note down. You can also write this term as 3 root x, because anything to the power half means square root. Okay, these both are same, so these both are not polynomial. So again note down one statement: power or exponent of variable must be whole number only. Whole number means what? From 0 to 1 2 3 infinite. Is it clear? The power of variable must be whole number only. So let me write few examples to explain you in detail. X square plus 2x plus 10. Now we will classify whether it is polynomial or not. Okay, here we will classify with the help of few examples whether these are polynomials or not. So these are few examples which I am writing. Now you need to identify whether these are polynomial or not. Okay. So first example is x square plus 2x plus 10. Here you can see, here power is 2, here power nothing is written, it means 1. So this is polynomial. All the power of variable are positive. Next, question number 2. This is yes. Now question number 2. Minus x square minus 4x plus 16. You will see power is 2 and 1. So both the power are positive. So again this is a polynomial. So it will have yes. Now here x raised to minus 2. You will see we have noted down the statement that negative power of variable is not a polynomial. If a variable is having negative power, then it is not a polynomial. So this is no. Again here 2 root x. Root x means what? X to the power half. So any p by q form, integer or rational number, if any power, such kind of power in rational form of variable, then again it is not a polynomial. It should be whole number only. Here again 3x square minus 7x raised to power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is again a rational number. So it is not a polynomial. Next, 5 minus 5 root x plus 6x raised to minus 2 minus 7. Here you can see this will have power half and this is having power minus 2. So again this is no for polynomial. So by this way you can identify whether whether the expression are polynomial or not. What you need to remember, the first point is no negative power. And second thing, it should be whole number only for power of variable. Variable should have no negative power, and if having power, it should be whole number only. Only those and those expressions will be polynomial. Is it clear? Moving to next, what are the uses of polynomial? What are the uses of polynomial? Where polynomial, this chapter is used, will be used to us in future. So first, polynomial have implication to all higher level mathematics courses. So if any one of you wish to further study higher in mathematics or wants to pursue masters or PhD in mathematics, polynomial will going to help you lot. All the physical, social scientists including archaeologists, astronomers, chemists, in all these fields, polynomial is useful. In healthcare industry, where there are diagnostic machineries are used, in those machineries also, for making those machineries, polynomials are used. If I talk about marketing industry, in finance and stock markets also, this polynomial is useful. So these are your future, or these are the uses of polynomials. Thank you. So today we have learned 2 topics. Today we have finished 2 important conditions for polynomials, and we have also learned about what are the uses of polynomials in our life. So we will meet soon in our next video. Thank you.